Okay. Hi everyone. So today we go to the last part of chapter 2 from 2. So chapter 2 is about factorization and algebraic fractions. We go to 2.3 today, algebraic expressions and laws of basic arithmetic operations. Okay, so today we focus on perform combined operation of algebraic expressions involving expansion and factorization. Okay, we start. I write here question number 4 because I take this exercise from the textbook. Today we focus on problem solving. Okay, so number 4, grandma has a piece of chocolate with a length of k square minus 16 centimeter, and she wants to divide it equally among her k minus 4 grandchildren. What length of chocolate will each of her grandchildren receive? So grandma want to divide the chocolate. This is easy. What we do? Let me write here. Okay. So grandma have chocolate of k minus 16, and then want to divide with k minus 4. Okay, so what we do, we just simplify this algebraic expression. Okay, so k square minus 16, that one we can factorize. So if you still remember from yesterday lesson, we can factorize to k plus 4 k minus 4. Let me use this pointer. Okay, k square equal to k times k, k square. 16 is a perfect square. 16 equal to 4 times 4. And remember, in the bracket, one is positive, one is negative, or one is plus and one is minus. This is how we factorize for k square minus 16. Okay, next. For the denominator, nothing changed, still same, k minus 4. Okay, now we can simplify. I use a different color. I use red. Okay, k minus 4 here. We can eliminate with this k minus 4. So we divide this one equal to 1. Therefore, we write the answer. The answer equal to k plus 4. If you want the unit is cm, centimeter. However, in today's lesson, no need to write the unit. Okay. So the answer is k plus 4. This is easy. Now, this is quite difficult. Question number 5. This is quite difficult, and the answer is long. I will write the answer smaller, because the answer is long. Okay. Gurdip. Oh, maybe I use highlighter for this one. Highlighter. Okay. Gurdip and Jumrang are part-time workers in a grocery shop. Okay, so this one, no much more of information. What we have, Gurdip and Jumrang. Okay, 2%. Gurdip is paid 3 ringgit per hour, less than twice Jumrang's pay. Okay, this is important. However, we still cannot use that one sentence, not yet. Okay, next, if Jumrang, maybe I use laser pointer. Okay, if Jumrang is paid X ringgit per hour. So this is important. Jumrang paid X ringgit per hour. From that one, we can, maybe I highlight. Okay, Jumrang X ringgit per hour. X ringgit per hour. Okay, so let me jot down the information. Jumrang paid. So let me use Jumrang as J. I use J for Jumrang. I want to use black color. Okay, black. So Jumrang I write as J. J. So J pay. From that one we know X per hour. We know from the first information, Jumrang pay equal to X per hour, XRM per hour. Okay, next, how much is Gurdip's pay if he works X plus 2 hours and Jumrang's pay if he works 2X plus 3 hours? State your answers in algebraic form. Okay, for the first part, we focus on Jumrang only. We focus on Jumrang first. Okay, let me highlight the Jumrang. Highlight. Okay, Jumrang's pay. Jumrang's pay here. And Jumrang's pay 2x plus 3 hour. 2x plus 3 hours. Okay, hours. Okay, so let me jot down the information now. Okay, so Jumrang, what we want to write? Jumrang hour. Jumrang hour. Okay, Jumrang hour. Given 2x plus 3. Okay, from here, we can find the exact money that Jumrang will get. The salary is X ringgit per hour. Total hour is 2x plus 3. To get the total money, we multiply. X multiply with 2x plus 3. So, X 2x plus 3. Example. Okay. Jumrang got 5 ringgit per hour. 1 jam 5 ringgit. How many hour? Example, he works for 5 hour. So, kalau dia 5 jam, 5 ringgit 1 jam. 5 ringgit 1 hour. For 5 hour, dia dapat 25 ringgit. He will get 25 ringgit. Okay, same goes for this one. J pay is X ringgit per hour. Total hour is 2X plus 3. So to get the amount, we multiply. X multiply with 2X plus 3. And this one, we can expand. Become 2x square plus 3x. Okay, that one for Jumrang. Okay, let me draw a line. Okay, so now we go to Gurdip. I go to highlighter. I want to use different color. Maybe, okay, this one, this color. Okay, now we go to Gurdip. Okay, Gurdip pay. Gurdip pay. Where is it? Gurdip is paid 3 ringgit per hour less than twice Jumrang's pay. Oh, this is quite difficult. Okay. Maybe I erase this one back. Okay, again. 3 ringgit per hour less than twice Jumrang's pay. How you want to write that one? Okay. So for Gurdip, I use G. Gurdip pay. Okay. 3 ringgit per hour less. 3 ringgit per hour less, meaning we need to minus 3. Less. 3 ringgit less, meaning minus 3. We need to minus 3. Then twice. Twice is 2 times. Twice of what? Twice of Jumrang's pay. Jumrang's pay is this one. This is Jumrang's pay, X. So we write X. So Gurdip pay is 2X minus 3. Maybe I erase this one. I write better. Okay, so this is 2X minus 3. Okay, let me explain again. 2 because of twice. X because of Jumrang's pay. Jumrang's pay is X. Minus 3 because 3 ringgit less. So 3 ringgit per hour less than twice Jumrang pay equal to 2x minus 3. That one you need to understand how to convert from the words, the sentence, to mathematical terms. Okay. Now, we go to Gurdip hour. Gurdip hour. Okay. Gurdip hour given here. Where is Gurdip hour? Gurdip's pay if he works X plus 2 hour here, x plus 2 hour. Okay, x plus 2 hour. So we write here x plus 2 hour. Oh, good rate pay is 2x minus 3 per hour. I forgot to write. 2x minus 3 per hour. Okay. Let me continue here. So, good tip pay equal to, how to get the total payment for good tip? 2x minus 3 we multiply with x plus 2. This one, 2x minus 3 multiply with x plus 2. We get the total payment for good deed. Okay. Now we expand this one. So 2x times x equal to 2x squared. 2x times 2 is 4x. And then minus 3 times x minus 3x. And then here is minus 6. Simplify. 2x squared plus 4 minus 3 is 1, but no need to write the 1, you just write x minus 6. Okay, so now we get a Jumrang's pay and also Goodit's pay. Okay, next state your answers in algebraic form. Okay, so this question number 5, missing something. Missing something. Actually, question number 5 asks you to find the total payment for Jumrangs and Goodips. The total payment, okay, the total payment for both of them. So, to get the total, to get the total payment, Jumrang pay this one, 2x squared plus 3x, plus with Goodips pay, 2x squared plus x minus 6. Okay, and then this one we simplify. So no need the bracket. 2x squared. On the second bracket, we have also 2x squared. So I write here 2x squared. I arrange so the order are same. Okay, and then we have 3x for the in the first bracket. In the second bracket, we have plus x, and then number only we have minus 6. Okay, now we simplify. 2x squared plus 2x squared is 4x squared. 3x plus x, 4x, and then minus 6. So this is the answer for question number 5. And actually, one of your friend already done this question because he already messaged me how to answer this question. But I forgot his name lah. Maybe I check later. Okay. Question number 6. Okay. Let me use laser pointer. Okay. The ground area of a piece of land of a supermarket used for parking cars is 25 bracket x squared minus 8x plus 16 square meters. If the area of a parking lot for a vehicle is x minus 4 square meters, how many cars can be parked there? Number 2, if 4 units of the parking lot have been booked by the supermarket, how many parking lots are left? Okay. Before we answer question number 1 here, I think better we factorize this one. X squared minus 8x plus 16. Okay. Let me do it here. So, x, oh, I think I use black color. Okay, black. Okay. So, x squared minus 8x plus 16. This is equal to what? We learned already how to do like this one. So x squared is x, and then 16 is 4 times 4 is 16. But if we check here, in the middle is a negative 8x. Negative. So this is should be negative, negative. Okay. And then if we cross multiplication, we will get here negative 4x, negative 4x, and here we will get negative 8x. Okay. So the answer is x minus 4, x minus 4. Or we can write as x minus 4 square. Okay, now we factorize that one already. We can answer question number 1 now. So, if the area of parking lot for vehicle is x minus 4 square meter, how many cars can be parked there? To get the number of parking lot, what we do, we divide. The total length, the total area is 25 x square minus 8x plus 16. We divide with the area of parking lot. This one, number 1, x minus 4 square. Okay, so now we simplify. 25. Okay, for x square minus 8x plus 16, that one we can, maybe I use different color. Okay, we already got this one, so we can substitute in here. We can change the one. So x square minus 8x plus 16 actually equal to x minus 4 square over x minus 4 square. And now we can eliminate x minus 4 square with x minus 4 square. The answer is 25. Okay, the answer is 25. For question number 2, if 4 units of the parking lot have been booked by the supermarket, how many parking lots are left? This one easy. 25 minus 4. So the answer is 21. That's all. Number 2 very easy. Okay. So finish question number 6. Today we will go until question number 9. Meaning we have another 3 questions. Okay, question number 7. Khairul wants to cover a wall measuring x plus 5 meters long and 3x minus 2 meters wide with decorative paper. Okay, so that is the wall. Number 1, what is the area of the wall that will be covered with decorative paper? If there is a door measuring x minus 1 meters long by x meters wide. Okay, now we have a wall. The area of the wall is this one. Let me write here. The area of the wall is x plus 5 multiplied with 3x minus 2. This is the wall. Okay, and then, sorry, not divide. Okay, that is the area of the wall. And then, door. How about door? Door, let me highlight this one. Let me highlight. Okay, door given here, x minus 1 meters long by x meters. Okay. So, door x minus 1 times x. Okay. Let me write here with a different color. This is wall. This is door. So, to get the area covered, what we do, we need to subtract, or we need to minus area of wall minus area of the door. So we can get the area covered with the decorative paper. Okay, now we need to expand. X plus 5, 3x minus 2, we expand. X times 3x is 3x squared. X times negative 2 is negative 2x. And then 5 times 3, 15. X, 5 times 2, negative 10. We put a bracket first. minus this one, x times x, x square, minus x. Okay, now we write everything without the bracket. 3x square minus negative 2 plus 15, or 15 minus 2. 15 minus 2 is actually positive, positive 13 x, positive, not negative. Okay, minus 10, and then for the second bracket, this one you need to be careful, because we have a minus in front of the bracket, so it should be like this, minus x square, but for the second term, negative negative will become positive or plus x. Okay. Okay, now we have 3x square. Maybe I use a pointer. Wait, okay. Now what we do, 3x square we minus with 1x square, become 2x square. 13x we plus with x. Okay. So we go for the first one, 3x square minus 1x square. Let me write the answer here. 3x square minus 1x square is 2x square. 13x plus 1x is 14x, and then the number is minus 10. Okay, so this is the answer for question number 1. Let me check first. Okay, for number 2, if the cost of decorative paper is 8x per square meters, how much will Harold have to spend? This is easy, meaning 2x square plus 14x minus 10, we multiply with the cost. The cost is 8x per square meters. We just multiply. Okay, so this one we need to expand. 8 times 2 times 8 is 16. X squared times x is x cubed. Okay, and then 14. 4 plus 14 times 8. 14 times 8 is 112. 112 x square. Don't forget square. X times x, x square. And then minus 10 times 8 is 80 x. So this is the answer for question number 2. 7-2. Okay, so far okay. I proceed to question number 8. Let me use laser pointer first. Okay. Sui Li should have finished 28 plus 16x mathematics questions in 4 hours. Number 1, how many questions would have been done in 30 minutes? Okay, so this question is quite difficult. We need to use a ratio concept in this one. To make it easier, we use the concept of a ratio. Okay, I hope you still remember what is ratio. Okay, what should we do first? Okay, first of all, we change the hours to minutes. Or you can change 30 minutes to hour also can. 30 minutes equal to 0.5 hour also can. Same thing, same answer. However, I want to change 4 hours. This is equal to 4 times 60 equal to 240 minutes. 240 minutes. Okay. Next, we answer for question number 1. Okay. So we write like this. This is the number of questions, 28 plus 16. This one can be solved in 4 hours or 240 minutes. 28 plus 6, sorry, I forgot x. Okay. So 28 plus 16x question can be solved in 240 minutes or 4 hours. Okay, we write in ratio. Okay. And then the question asks us about this one. Okay, how many questions would have been done in 30 minutes? From 240, it become 30. Okay? So, this one, 28 plus 16x. Okay? From 240, we change to 30. So, how? So, like this, we divide with the total hour, 240 minutes, and then we multiply with 30. Or actually, you can also divide with 80 only. Can? Same answer. This one, I use the concept of ratio. I use the concept of ratio. Now we solve this one. We solve this one. 28 plus 16x divide with 240 times 30. Okay, let me use this color. Okay, 240 and 30, this one, we can divide 30 divide 1, 30 divide 30 is 1, 240 divide 30 is 8. Okay, so we will get here 28 plus 16x divide with 8. Okay, next 28 and 16 we can factor with 4. So this one becomes 7 plus 4 times 4 is 16. X over 8. Okay, and then it becomes 7 plus 4x divide 2. Okay, so this is the answer for question 1. For question 1. Okay, this is the answer. How many questions will have been done in 30 minutes? The answer is 7 plus 4x divided with 2. That is the answer for question number 1. Okay, now we go to question number 2. If Sui Li could only finish 14 plus 8x question, how much time did she spend? This one we need to compare also. So there are two methods to answer this question. Either you compare with the original 28 plus 16x, or you compare with question number 1 that we just answered, 7 plus 4x divided 2. Either one. You can do either one. Doesn't matter. Same answer, no problem. However, I choose to use our answer in question 1. Question 1. 7 plus 4x divided 2. I want to use the answer. Okay, so how? To get the time that she spent for 14 plus 8x question, what we do, we divide. What we divide. Okay, so 14 plus 8x. This one, we divide with our answer in 1. 7 plus 4x divide 2. Okay, so we divide. Okay. So next, this one, 14 plus 2ax, actually we can factorize. We can factorize, become 2, 7 plus 4x. We can factorize. Divide, we change to multiply. And then the fraction, we change upside down. Become 2 over 7 plus, sorry, I forgot the x. Okay. So we change upside down, 7 plus 4x. Okay, like that. So if you notice here, we can eliminate 7 plus 4x, 7 plus 4x, and we can eliminate. Okay. So now the answer, okay, the answer is 2 times 2, 4. But for what? For what? Is it 4 minutes? Is it 4 hours? Actually, this is 4 times. 4 times compared to this one. Compared to our answer in 1. It takes 4 times compared to answer in 1. Meaning, if you want to get the total time for question number 2, okay. So let me use highlighter first. Highlighter. Okay. In question number 1, how many questions would have been done in 30 minutes? This one, 30 minutes. Okay. Meaning, this one, 7 plus 4x over 2. The one for 30 minutes. Okay. If 4 times, what we do? Okay. 4 times 30 minutes. So 30 minutes we multiply with 4 times. So it becomes 120 minutes. Or in our 120 divided with 60 equal to 2 hours. So this is the answer. Either 120 minutes or 2 hours. Okay, this is the answer. Remember, answer here we get actually the times. How many times compared to our answer in question number 1. Not 4 minutes or not 4 hours. Okay. We finish question number 8. I hope you understand. Now we go to the last question. Question number 9. Okay. Azima. Let me use laser pointer. Okay. Azima bakes a square layered cake measuring 3x 2 centimeter long and x plus 2 centimeter wide. Okay, maybe from that one, I draw first. Maybe I use this color. Okay, so this is the cake, something like this lah. Okay, something like this. So this is 3x plus 2 and this is x plus 2. Okay. She cuts the cake into 6 equal parts long along the length, meaning here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. We got 6 equal parts. Okay, this is only a sketch. Okay, and 3 equal parts along the width. 1, not very good. Okay, 1, very ugly. Again. Okay. Boleh lah. This one better. Okay. So this is example of the diagram from question number 9. So what is the question? Determine the area of each piece of cake in the form of algebraic expression. Area of piece of cake. Meaning only one area. If I shaded the region, only this area. Only one small part. Only that area we want to know. Okay. So to get the answer, let me write here. Okay, this length here. This length here is actually 3x plus 2 divided with 6, because we have 6 equal parts. And then this height here is actually x plus 2 divided with 3, because we cut the cake into 3 equal parts. Okay, so to get area, determine the area. To get the area, we multiply. To get the area, we multiply. So, what is the answer? Become like this. 3x plus 2, x plus 2, divide with 6 times 3, 18. And then we expand. 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times 2 equal to 6x, 2x. 2 times 2, 4 over 18. And don't forget to simplify. 6x plus 2x, 8x plus 4 divide 18. Okay. So this is the answer for question number 9. Finished ready. Okay, so far I finished ready everything. Any question? Ada soalan nak tanya? If you have any question, you can ask me before I stop the class. Don't forget, you need to fill the form for your attendance. Lepas ni, cikgu bagi link untuk borang kehadiran. After this, Chia Wen Chia left ready. Okay. Any question? Ada soalan nak tanya? If not, I will give you your attendance form. Yeah. Form 2. Yalah, cikgu akan hantar dekat link Google Meet lah. Tapi belum lagi. Not yet, not yet. Ada soalan apa-apa lagi selain pada attendance? Tak ada, sure. Okay. If no, okay. I'll give you the attendance. Let me take it from here. This is the attendance. You can open the attendance in the chat here, dekat chat. Okay. Now, okay, you can click the chat. Fill the form. Isi borang tu untuk kehadiran hari ini. So today no homework. If you fill the form ready, sudah isi kehadiran, you can leave the Google Meet lah. Bye bye. Yeah.